Hi, welcome to another Warren and Brown video think piece. You've heard us say a lot of times that we're trial lawyers and we try cases, and that is true. But sometimes some cases can't be tried to a jury. So I'm here with Kaitlan Skrainer, who, by the way, is one of our rising star lawyers at Warren and Brown. And Kaitlan and I had a case that just couldn't be tried to a jury. So Kaitlan, what was that all about?
Sure, Neal. So we represented a physician who was an excellent healthcare provider, but she suffered with severe social anxieties. Despite our best efforts and multiple meetings with her, it became clear that she was not going to be able to perform in a courtroom in front of a jury. So we had to come up with a creative way to defend her care.
So what we did in that particular case, Kaitlan and I, is that we negotiated a trial of this case in a conference room, binding arbitration/mediation. We got a retired judge, we agreed on the parameters, we each were able to call our clients, the plaintiffs called the plaintiffs, we called the doctor, each of us had an expert witness that we called live. We gave a verdict sheet to the judge. Do you find by a preponderance of the evidence that there was a breach of the standard of care? So we weren't looking for a written report. We put strict timelines on things so this could be done in a day. And the theory was that if we could control this environment, that the doctor would be more comfortable and her personality and what she was all about in caring would come through at this trial in the conference room. So how did you think that went?
I think it went very well. The timelines were enforced. It only lasted for a day. And at the end of the trial, the judge was given a verdict sheet and promptly returned it to us. It was difficult for the physician, but in this controlled environment, she was able to get through it, and she felt that she had her day in court, and it didn't hurt that we got a verdict returned in her favor.
No, that's always helpful. So sometimes you want to try cases, and sometimes it's hard and you can't for various reasons, and sometimes you got to be creative, and that was a creative way to get that resolved. So if you have any cases and you need your lawyers to be creative, give Kaitlan or myself a call. We're always here to help.